We have 2 yachts, 1 rainbow, and 1 cardboard. You need to decide who gets which steering wheel.
Oh, interesting. Who's going to choose?
Of course, you and Jinu. And to be fair, close your eyes and don't peek. You too, Jinu.
Huh?
Like this. Now let's swap the steering wheels.
I'll choose the rainbow one. Ah, Jinu, you peeked. Oh well.
What? How did that happen? So, Jinu, you get the cardboard steering wheel. And you, Rumi, get the rainbow one.
Hooray, cool. We have a rainbow vacation, girls.
So, guys, ready for a cardboard vacation?
Yeah, sounds fun. We have to capture this moment. Get ready, Rumi. I'll take a picture.
Now time to change outfits.
Wow.
We're ready. Let's go, guys.
Look, the boys already left. Let's go to our yacht. I can't believe it! We're on a yacht! Woo! Let's put on swimsuits. I'll go get the suitcases now. Here it is. Okay, what do we have here? Not this. Not that. Our stuff! Oh no!
What? Oh. Huh? What was that?
Looks like all the stuff flew away, but we have 1 swimsuit left. Here, it's cool.
Oh, yeah. Same old story.
Oh my, what do we do?
Don't panic. We'll fix everything now.
Oh, okay.
It seems this swimsuit suits Mira better. It's true. It really suits me. Thank you. But a few details are still missing. Let's add rainbow wristbands and this kind of thing on the leg, decorated with a rainbow. I'm also taking stickers and cutting out these pieces. Stick them on the other leg.
Wow, Mira looks so cool. What about us? When's our turn?
Right now. Who to choose? Rumi, you go. We'll need to change it all.
But where can we get the material?
Rainbow. I'm taking it. A bit of magic, and voila! Look how much we have now. I take this fabric pattern and sew it. It turned out to be a cool swimsuit. I put it on Rumi and decorate it with a heart. I'll add fluffy embellishments on the swimsuit itself and also on the legs. The final touches are temporary tattoos in the shape of lighting and a crown. I add a rainbow keychain, bracelet, and earrings. I decorate the hairstyle with rainbow clips. We'll apply rainbow colors on the lips. And Rumi's look is ready. Wow, she looks gorgeous.
Wow, you look absolutely stunning, Rumi. I want to be a beauty like that too.
Now we'll transform you too, Zoey. Oh, I almost forgot the glasses.
Wow, what? Oh, look. Thanks, Crafty Lou. Girls, since everyone's ready, let's go swim in the pool. Woohoo!
Zoey is so funny. Yeah, as always.
Phew, I'm kind of tired. I'm thirsty.
Not a bad smoothie.
Yummy.
Yeah, I like it too. I've recharged, and now I'm ready to jump again. I love slides. And let's go! Woo! Oh, girls, look at these microphones I found. That means... it means we're going to sing! Woohoo!
Move like this, can't resist, can't resist. When she moves like this, move like this, move like this. Pure bliss, when she moves like this.
Wow, it looks so fun over there. Why are the girls having so much fun while we're so sad?
I'm already melting from boredom.
I'm okay so far. Crafty Lou, we want to have fun too. I'll fix this right now. We take a large piece of cardboard box. The next step is to cut it out. We glue 2 strips together to make a long band, bend it on this side, make this kind of thing, and glue this piece on top. Let's take another blank, attach it to the deck. We place the seat on the deck. We glue another piece like this to the bow. We take a small cardboard tube, make a steering wheel, and attach it to the front of the deck. We add another bigger piece and 1 smaller one. Now let's color it. Let's go with orange. I'm drawing these stripes. Adding the Saja Boys logo. And here's the final version. Time to show it to the guys. So look what I have for you.
Oh my gosh, what a hoverboard.
Vroom, vroom. Nothing special. Lying in the sun is cooler.
Really? You sure?
I'd rather sunbathe.
No way. Everyone to your places. We're ready to go. Mystery, so are you coming?
Guys, I'm good with just the float ring. Look what a cool duck I have.
Mystery, we won't leave without you.
Let's go without him.
Okay.
Step on it, come on. This is gonna be fun. Whoa!
Wow, yeah!
Woohoo! Awesome! Woohoo!
Oh, so chill. Just super.
Hey,
Wow, Jinu, look, it's a dolphin! Hey, careful, you just sprayed me all over. Oh, it's a dolphin.
Wow! Mystery, have you changed your mind about riding with us? It's so much fun.
Guys, a dolphin is giving me a ride. This is so cool.
Maybe you'll jump in with us after all. Oh, we'll have fun.
Well, let's try it.
Guys, I have an idea. Let's go check out the girls.
Let's go.
Then hold on tight. Let's go! Woo! Just awesome. Yeah!
Are those the boys? I wonder where we're sailing.
We'll be stopping soon near the Fluffy Islands. You can go snorkeling, swim, or ride something.
But we don't have masks.
That's what I'm here for. We draw 4 stripes of different colors which magically turn into fluffy wire. We twist 3 wires into a rope, bend it into the shape of a mask, and cut off the ends. This is the base we got. We glue transparent plastic to it. Then we take a strip of colored EVA foam and glue it to the mask. Give a like.
Give a hype. And don't forget to subscribe.
Now let's make the fins. We take rainbow paper, sketch a fin around the foot, and cut it out. We add multicolored chenille wire along the whole length, yellow and light green on the sides, and pink in the middle. We also glue a rubber sole for the heel and secure it with the loose edge of the wire. Done! Girls, here are your fins and mask.
Awesome, we're ready to dive. Let's go. Wow, cool. Who's going first? Me. Great, I want to go too.
Go ahead, Rumi, I'm after you.
Zoey, catch me. Woo!
Now it's my turn. Wow, it's so beautiful here.
Girls, come swim over here.
Wow, what's that interesting thing?
Maybe it's treasure? We need to dig it up. Okay, let's try to pull it out. Zoey, help us. Yay, this is awesome.
Now, girls, I'll help you.
Thank you.
We did it.
Hey, girls, what do you have there?
We found a chest.
Wow, cool.
We have to open it.
Let's see. What? It's just cardboard.
We worked for nothing.
Hey, wait for me.
And I can use this cardboard for my next craft. First, let's enlarge this cardboard. Ta-da! Look, there's already something here. First, I grab a pencil. Wow, it became real. We're drawing a luxurious palm tree on the cardboard sheet. Now I need an acrylic marker. Wow, green color. First, I color the coconuts. For this, I use shades of yellow, orange, and red. When that's done, I start on the leaves. I outline them in green, then color inside, making a smooth transition from green to blue. On top of each leaf, I add yellow, as if the sun is shining. At the bottom, I highlight the leaves with blue. At the end, I outline everything with a black marker. Our palm tree is ready. Time to cut it out. I take out the scissors. Cool. This is the palm tree I got, but it still needs a trunk. Let's add some grass at the base. And now it's definitely done.
Whoa! Where are we?
Look, we're on a cardboard island. Wow, it's so beautiful here. Crafty Lou, can you take a picture of us?
Of course, no problem. Say cheese! Cheese! Wow, more! One more time! Yes!
Wow, these photos are amazing. Ah! Guys, step back, step back.
Run! Guys, quickly climb the palm tree. Come on, I'll help you. What are we gonna do? Oh my gosh. Hey, look!
Saja!
Those are our fans. Uh-oh, we thought they wanted to eat us. Guys, come down, they love us.
Guys, hold your microphones. Sing something for your fans.
Are you ready?
Yes!
This performance is for you.
Turn it up, turn it loud. Show them what I'm all about. No more holding back today. Time to let my body say dance, dance, dance like nobody's there. Feel the beat pumping through the air. Dance, dance.
Phew, I'm really tired.
Me too, I'm exhausted.
I have no more energy.
More!
Guys, it's time to get out of here. We need to change costumes. We'll be back soon. Hurry, let's go. Abby, start it up or they'll catch us.
Oh gosh, I'm so tired.
Me too.
What a bliss.
The long-awaited rest.
Girls, I have a surprise for you. Crafty Lou, I need help.
As you wish. We take a circle like this with a rainbow pattern, apply hot glue around the circle, and stick sidewalls made of the same material. We ended up with a round box like this. We wrap it with foam cord and cover it with fluffy rainbow fabric. Our fluffy water tube is ready.
Rumi, look! prepared.
Wow, so what are we going to do?
Ride it, it's fun.
Oh, girls, I don't like this idea. I have a bad feeling.
Everything will be great. Come here, it's awesome.
Hey, this is fun.
Mira, come on, jump in with us.
Are you sure we should do this? I don't know, it feels kind of scary.
Come on, we're waiting for you. It's going to be fun. Look, I brought my camera.
How cool. Please, let's go back. I'm scared.
Say cheese. Mira, smile. Why do you look so sour?
What's this? We've drifted away from the yacht. I told you this wouldn't end well. We shouldn't have gone sailing anywhere.
But at least we'll have great pictures.
Look, something's floating. Look, there's some kind of ship coming. Whoa, girls, how'd you end up here?
Jinu, help us get out. We missed our ship.
Please? Give me your hand. I'll help you.
I can't. I'm not reaching.
Just a bit more. Bro, I need your help. Of course, I got you. Let's go. Oh, still can't reach. Need to get further. Abby, can you support me?
Okay, no problem. I've got you.
And I've got you.
Jinu, we did it.
Hold on tight, Rumi. I'll pull you out now.
Come on, Zoey, grab my hand.
Mira, hang on.
Guys, thank you so much for saving us.
You're welcome. We're always happy to help.
How can we thank you?
Could you perform with us?
Great idea. Girls, shall we perform with the guys? We're all set for it.
We will need a cardboard box. Now I'll show you a life hack. Unfold the box. Fold all the parts the other way. And assemble the box with the inside facing up. Turn out 2 more boxes the same way. Apply hot glue to the side walls and join them together. This will be the base for our stage. Now take a large sheet of cardboard and glue a cardboard strip to it. Attach 2 more strips on the sides. Now let's take a black marker and draw on it. I make a black line along the edges and draw crossbars. Now let's write with a pencil whose stage this is. Saja boys! Now we just need to color it. I fill it in with pink, outline with purple for depth, and highlight each letter with black. The inscription is ready. We'll just add stars in Saja's style. I think it turned out great. Let's assemble our stage. Attaching the spotlights. We'll add the floor and also 2 speakers on the sides. This is the kind of stage we ended up with.
Wow, cool! It's so awesome. I already want to perform on it. Girls, come on in.
Cringe. There's no rainbow about this place. Wow, what a stage. Let's perform. Zoey, calm down. There's nothing rainbow about this place. Let's decorate it a little and it'll be perfect.
Yeah, now we'll show what cool really means. We'll put a big rainbow here. This rainbow will spice up this boring cardboard.
Let's hang up our rainbow logo. Wow, yeah! Now it's my turn. Did you hype it up?
Hey, that's pretty good. So, shall we start singing?
Yes, let's begin.
Great performance.
We did well. I've never been on such a fun cruise.
Me too. Woo!
That was pretty fun, right, Mira?
Yes, quite. Great that everyone enjoyed the cruise. Which vacation did you like better? The rainbow one or the cardboard one? Write in the comments. Bye-bye!